Here at Carbutti Co Realtors, your local Connecticut real estate experts, we're here to help you with all of your buying or selling needs during these times of uncertainty. We're excited to offer you our newly updated marketing strategy, which allows us to adhere to all social distancing and CDC recommendations to provide you and your family with a safe and stress-free experience. We offer you virtual consultations to guide you step by step through the home buying process. We can even help you identify your to-do list and get your home prepared for sale. We have invested in creative technologies such as interactive 3D tours and cinematic videos to capture all of the details of your home so that buyers can view your property online from the comfort of their own home. We utilize social media to host virtual open houses and get your home in front of thousands of buyers. We can provide a video tour of any property you would like to see or arrange a private showing if necessary, while offering preventative measures to ensure everyone's safety. And of course, in this digital age, all contracts and paperwork can be signed digitally from your favorite device. Call us at 203-980-6886 and let us put our new virtual marketing to work for you. Stay safe, everyone.